I purchased this phone tripod. I am an influencer and I create a lot of content, and this is something that I have been looking for quite some time. So here is our tripod, and this is it extended out of the box. It has buttons here that you control the lights with, and it came with this handy dandy remote, which is really cool. This is the base, and the base is really sturdy, which I love. The tripod has lights, and there are 3 different light settings on the tripod. I have been looking for a great tripod to get overhead shots like this. Honestly, this has been great for overhead shots, standing shots, sideways shots. It gets all the shots. This is where you clip your phone. It's very sturdy, and I love that the light actually rotates, so no matter what shot you're trying to get, the light will always be perfect. The maximum height is 50 inches and the minimum height is 16 inches. So you can just push it down if you want to get a more close-up shot. And again, I love the fact that I can extend it as well from when I'm standing. My videos have been amazing since using this tripod.